Welcome to how to download Instagram Reels video in iPhone. So in this video we are going to show you how to download Instagram Reels video in iPhone. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna have to do, you will just open up your Instagram, and after opening up your Instagram, what you're gonna have to do, you will tap on this Reels option here. Tap on this one, okay? And now basically if I wanted to download this reel from here, what I will basically do is that I will just simply tap on these three lines here, okay? And then I will tap on this share option here, and then here you can see that I have this download option, okay? So I will just simply tap on this download option, and this reel will be downloaded into my phone's gallery, okay? And for some reasons, for some reels, there is not this download option here. So how I can download? So for those reels which don't have this download option here, you can simply tap on copy link, and then you can just simply go into the browser and search for IG reel download, okay? And then basically you can use any service from here. So I prefer this one, Save Insta. Tap on this one. Now paste that specific link. Tap on paste and paste the link and tap on download, okay? And it will basically fetch that specific video. Tap on close, and here we have video. Now tap on this option where it says download video and close this ad. And now when I tap on this one, it will be downloaded into my phone's gallery. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.